already filed, my lord.
May I have your lordship? Lordship, I am paying for listing this matter a contempt case. Lordship, it is relates to pension, lordship. The petitioner is 80 years, lordship.
Monday.
Oblige.
Thank you, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for admission, lordship. This matter was listed on 16/8, lordship, and 3 years granted, lordship. Readings is completed, lordship. Matter is, lordship, relating to lordship seeking wages, lordship, monthly wages.
21st.
May please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing for admission, lordship. Matter is relating to pension, lordship.
21st.
Oblige, lordship.
May I please, your lordship? Item number 17, matter may be adjourned, lordship. My senior is out of station. Item number
Let the
17.
matter reach. Let the matter reach.
Okay. With please, your lordship. Matter may be passed off for the time being, lordship.
Earlier rejected.
Earlier rejected, lordship.
Get the up-to-date case diary. This is from page 4. Give us the date.
The 25th, madam. 25th. September. After 1 week, madam.
Okay, on 25th. Up-to-date case date. Yes, Mr. Raja.
Lordship, second bill application, Lordship. Here may I pay one thing, Lordship, that in connection with another case, BA number 2239 of 2020, page 46, Lordship. Already records were called for. So may I pay that registry me directed to place the record from that case, Lordship, arising out of same FIR, page 46.
Record were called for when?
Already in that case, record received, and after that this bail order was passed.
46.
His earlier bail application was rejected during investigation, and now charge sheet is submitted. Every record was called for in that case after filing of charge sheet. And here his earlier bail application was rejected on the ground that during investigation the IO submitted that he is charge sheeted in another case, Lordship, under section 302, but he did not submit that prior to the present instant FIR, Lordship.
Okay.
He was acquitted.
Registry shall call for the records of
लिखा नहीं है, रोज ऐसे भी record ऐसे लिखा नहीं है.
filed in Orderpur PS case number 106 of 2023. Very लिखा ना records of Orderpur PS case number 106 of 2023 corresponding to GR number 883 of 2023.
record ऐसे लिखो तुम. लिंगी लिखा नहीं है record.
Very charge sheet number 109 of 2023 was filed on 12/07/2023. Pending before the court of
JMFC first class.
Judicial Magistrate First Class. Karimganj. We didn't make it Roman 2. I don't know why Roman.
নামটো দেখাব নেকি?
Last step. Chief Judicial Magistrate. Karimganj. Release the matter on.
Lordship, I am for the informant, Lordship. Yesterday we filed Okalatnama, Lordship. Or name maybe.
8/022. Scan/photocopy. Record. Scan and photocopy of the records. List of. Hmm. 28th of September.
May it please, Your Lordship. Last occasion, some instruction.
Well,
was
I'm praying for some more time, my lord. Any day next week, my lord.
My lord, even not getting provisional pension also, my lord. Old lady.
Notice. Tarakotili. Heard Mr. M.R. conductor counsel for deputation.
Thanks so much.
Mr. M. Patel, standing for Department of School Education. Got it. 1 minute to get a sum. For the respondent of plus 1. Issue notice returnable by 4th of October. One three. 2 Standing Council Finance case later. 4 5 here really 206 267. Standing Council Finance. Let the next one.
Complete.
4 5
Complete.
Deputy. Have complete the mandate. Petitioner shall take steps for service of notice of respond number 8 by raised oppositely. On a document paper. Respond number 8. Pendency of this petition shall not be a part. To consider the prayer of the petitioner and to pay her original pension from November 2022 as per her entry.
My lord, may I pray without pendency earlier has been given. My lord, they have not been given provisional.
That's what from
So
November.
at least, my lord, provisional may be directed to pay, my lord.
That's what
Old lady, my
We have
lord.
not heard our order.
I am obliged.
This matter relates to suspension of the petitioner, Lordship. On the last occasions, Your Lordship directed the respondents to receive instructions, Lordship.
My lord, on 31st August of 2003, instruction is that, my lord, the earlier incumbent was, my lord, transferred and he joined later on. And during the sufficient period for a review was not done. So Lordship may direct, my lord, we have to receive thereafter. 1st of September, we have sent a letter. Against this letter, we have to receive an instruction. হ্যাঁ?
পার্টির নাম কি?
জাকির হোসেন হয়ে যাবে
জাকির হোসেন।
হ্যাঁ
একটু লোকের মিলান অ্যাপ।
কি মিলান নাই?
কি কোনটো কেছ তোমাৰ অ 4850 নহয় জানো কি মিলা নাই কি মিলা নাই
Communication with
কি কৈ দিলা কথাটো
Nikon নাকি আছে। Communication আছে।
হ'ব এইটো মোৰ কথা তোমাৰ
Where is the suspension order?
Yes, 59. Annex 9 is 59.
allegation is serious man some false mutilation done by the petitioner harass the public
What is the status of the disciplinary proceeding?
Disciplinary proceeding almost completed, Lordship.
How do you know almost all?
Lordship, we have got one from DC office. We have informed on 13/9/23, Lordship. One communication we have morning we sent for petitioner. Wherein Lordship, I am reading Lordship to
Give it to
line.
us. Give it to us.
Lordship, this is not visible. This is my copy. Lordship, from bottom second paragraph, Lordship.
আৰু কপি আছে নেকি নাই পোৱা
Lordship, my case is that Lordship suspension order was not reviewed from the date of suspension, Lordship. And this is a covered case of Rakibuddin Ahmed. And Lordship, another from
Mr.
the
A.T. Sarkar and Council preparing for the petition.
Lordship, one of the covered case of the Lordship, he is also Lord Mondal under the same establishment, Nalbari Lordship. And same, almost same case, Lordship. Devakanta Burwa's case, Lordship.
This will come down over.
Within 90 days, Lordship, no memorandum of charges served nor police late charge sheet, Lordship. Within 90 days. Though after 90 days, Lordship, DP was started, Lordship, but suspension order was not issued. This is the two grounds we have filed. Case number is
And my partner. 80 Circle Council for the petition. And Mr. T. Sutia. You are appearing for whom?
Revenue Department.
What's your good name?
As Doctor.
Sir, Land records. Management Department. Revenue and Disaster Management. For the respondent numbers on it. And Mr. T. Sutia and the government exam, senior government exam for the respondent numbers 3, 4, and 5. Petitioner is the Lakmandal of Paschim Nalbari Revenue Circle under the Deputy Commissioner. With regard to his unauthorized absence from duty since 02/03/2022 and regarding his involvement with certain forced sale deeds within his jurisdiction, the Deputy Commissioner Nalbari, by order number NPE-18/2022/26 dated 26/04/2022, placed the petitioner under suspension with immediate effect pending drawal of departmental under the provisions of the Assam Disciplinary and Appeal Laws of 1964. It is to be noted herein that with regard to his involvement in forced sale deed, with regard to forced sale deed within Paschim Nalbari Revenue Circle, Belsar Police Station case number 40/2022 under section 120 within bracket capital B /468 /471 /420 /472 /474 /466 /34 IPC is presently pending. We'll come back. Deputy of Mr. Dilip Kumar Hazarika has arrived. Come back.
Oh, yes, sir. Dilip Hazarika college now.
By filing this writ petition, my lord, we have challenged the annexure Q.
Who is appearing for finance? And General Administration Department?
Therefore, my lord, by the impugn order, my lord, they have withdrawn the, my lord, enhancement benefit, which was granted to me in terms of, my lord, ROP rules. Rule 8, my lord, 2, Rule 8B, Note G5. Because, my lord, 5G. Before that, my lord, in 1997, the Finance Department issued a notification, Financial C, that to bring a parity in the Pascal, my lord, if the seniority is not getting the Pascal as enjoyed by the, my lord, junior incumbent, then, to bring the parity, my lord, the senior incumbent is entitled to get the equal Pascal. And subsequently, it was in 2017 ROP, that particular provision was inserted. And in terms of that provision, my lord, we are provided. All the petitioners are given the enhanced benefit. But later on, my lord, higher annexure P and Q, basically Q, that benefit was withdrawn. Simply on the reason that, my lord, there is no approval of finance. The finance has already in 1997 issued a positive direction to all the heads of the department. Therefore, should examine this question. Now we are apprehending, my lord, possibly there may be a recovery process. So some protection may be given, let government file affidavit, my lord. At page 113, my lord, annexure C, there is the original notification And by that notification, my lord, parity was sought to be brought in order to, my lord, mitigate the hardships of the senior incumbent. The whole object is to, my lord, bring equalization of the pay scale.
Where is the order?
Order is an extra Q,
Page.
135. Okay.
Petitioners are serving as what?
My lord, they are serving at the moment, my lord, they are holding the post of senior assistant.
Post of?
Senior assistant under the establishment deputy commission. Teacher. Acha. The stepping, madam, reading below. Stepping up of pay of so-and-so, 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 some 30 numbers of so-and-so, so-and-so, with their juniors, so-and-so, so-and-so, senior assistant of so-and-so, so-and-so, as granted by the office letter dated so-and-so, so-and-so, as per the government instruction communicated by the order dated so-and-so, as per the revision of pay scale 2017 and in person of the government notification of 1997, Annexure C, the pay of employees were originally fixed on April with the date of next increment of so-and-so as shown in the table annexed as Annexure so-and-so against each of them will be effective for all subsequent financial order, promotion, etc. In view of the above, so-and-so, so-and-so, the employees or benefits are effective so-and-so. Is revoked. The first paragraph, it is said that it is hereby revoked as per the government instruction dated 24/3/2022. And we have been provided the benefit in terms of, my lord, as per Annexure F. Please go to Annexure. $120.
কৰিবই নোৱাৰিলো
Into.
এইবিলাক কৰিব পাৰিছেনে
আমি এটা টাইপ করে দাও না কেন
বেংক
পায় না তো। Lord, she will kindly come have a look, my lord, page 120, Annexure F. Whereby, my lord, by that particular order, we have been paid. এটা তোমার টাইপ করা তো উচিত ছিল। আমি নিজেই পড়তে পারিনি।
Lordship, kindly see page 125, my lord.
One, Mr. Sutia.
Page
125.
125, my lord. It's a letter dated, my lord, 15/9/18. First paragraph, the last 4 lines, my lord. Lordship, kindly see. They were accordingly paid all their enhanced pay along with areas accrued therein. But subsequently, it has been detected that such stepping up of pay of senior government employee with that of their junior is required to be done with the approval of the finance as laid down office memorandum of 10/9/97. That's why, my lord, this my lord order has been passed. This impugn order has been passed because there was no approval from the finance department. Each and every step in implement or otherwise, my lord, finance department approval is required. So that's why, my lord, that order has been passed. So at this stage, notice may issued, we will file affidavit and then finance department will have to come. AG Assam returned the pension case of retired civil service workers. Ultimately, there will be chaos in the pension.
Or Mr. A.K. Prakash is appearing for the petitioner. Original admits respondent of this. Mr. H. House standing counsel artist. What is respondent of
ATK party করতো।
17, 18,
I am appearing for my lord 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
who is for AGIS? You are appearing for it.
Yes, to I
Or standing counsel AGIS. What is respondent number 4? Mr. You are appearing for whom?
16.
What's your good name? Mr. T.C. Sutiel, Lanet Senior Government, Assam, for the respondent number 5,
5 to 15, my lord.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
11, 12,
12,
13, 14, 15.
13, 14, 15, and M. Colliton, standing counsel Excel
Oh, yes, yes, up to 6.
for the respondent number 16. The 25 petitioners herein are senior assistants. Though serving under Deputy Commissioner Kachar Silver, but serving under different establishment of the Deputy Commissioner Silver, Kachar Silver, like establishment runs Kachar Silchar. Land Acquisition Branch, Kachar Silchar. Lokhimpur Subdivision, District Kachar, Lokhimpur. Election Branch, Kachar Silchar. Circle Office of Silchar Sodor Revenue Circle, Kachar District. Sonai Revenue Circle, Sonai District, Kachar. Katigora Revenue Circle, Katigora District, Kachar. FCS and CA establishment of the Office of India's Office of the Superintendent of FCS and CA, Kachar. And the Office of the Superintendent of Excise, Silchar. And 4 different treasury offices of Kachar, like Silchar, Lokhimpur, four different. 2 different. 3 different. And sub treasury, New Silchar. Joining together against the order of the personnel account section issued by the Deputy Commissioner Kasal Silchar on 04/05/2022 under memo number CPA.3/2017 FP Part 2/34. Rejecting the stepping up of pay as per the revision of pay rules 2017, giving effect from 01/2016 by paying port fee of only one petitioner. A claim of the petitioners will also be different on the basis of their pay scales under different establishment of Deputy Commissioner Kachar Silchar and different treasury officers under different treasury under the state authority. This writ petition has been shown by one Siddhartha Shankar Chakraborty, petitioner number 1. Considering the above, the registry shall delete the name of the other petitioners from 2 to 25, enabling them to approach this court by filing individual writ petitions with regard to their claim of stepping up of their pay scales as per the ROP 2017. This writ petition shall be maintainable only for the petition number 1, namely Siddhartha Shankar Chakraborty, who has shown this the affidavit pertaining to this. though petitioner was given petitioner given higher scale of pay as per the ROP 2017, but see enhancement of their scale of pay as per the 2017 was without the approval of the finance department. As such, the deputy commissioner Kachar Silsar by the order dated by the impugn order dated 0405/2022, pursuant to the government notification number FPC .18/2017/26 dated 25/08/2027, and have to revoke such financial benefit given to him initially by number CPA .3/2017/FP/18 dated 27/06/2017, and number CPA .3/2017/FP/27 dated 16/10/2017, pursuant to the government instruction communicated by letter number ZAG within bracket capital B bracket close 496/2018 PT /10 dated 24/03/20. Is to rule returnable by 8 weeks as such and such and such, no formal notice. Petitioner shall take steps for service of notice on the respondent number 21 by registered post. The other petitioners, number 2 to 25, 20, sorry, 2 to 20, 25, and the liberty to file their individual petitions.
My lord, some protection be given, my lord, so that they may not allow initially.
there was
also
no-
required.
Any
There is no pair right.
Yes, sir.
Lordship, also finance department, there has to be a proposal sent to the finance department for consideration, my lord, as per the OMs that has been issued by the finance department. Whether any such proposal has been sent to the finance department, lord. That has to also been verified by
No, I don't know.
because on as per the communication, it is only stated that since there is no sanction of the finance department.
any such recovery. Yes, Mr. Chalia.
Lordship, here I'm just saying finance can only give their views once there's a proposal sent because it's written in the notification.
As the same was issued without due approval of the finance.
Obliged.
Any such recovery made from the salary of the petitioner shall be subject to the outcome of the same.
Subject to outcome.
The matter regarding the revocation of suspension measure. On last occasion, my lordship was directed to take instruction whether there is any review of the suspension measure.
Where is your suspension order?
my lord, at page 46, my lord. And the show cause, my lord, at page 54, it was issued on 8/7/2023, my lord. Page 54, my lord. And the page 55, my lord, that dated, my lord, 8/7/2023. 90 days, my lord, is completed on 6th of June 2023, my lord.
Heard Mr. D.A. Kayum, learned counsel appearing for the petition. And Mr. P.N. Sharma, standing counsel, Department of School Education.
Respond number 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
All the official respondents, number 1. Petitioner is the head teacher. Please take your seat. Of 884 number Pathimari Lower Primary School under Senga Education Block of District Borpet. Pertaining to financial anomalies of school grants, irregular attendance in classes, failure to place / produce accounts related records and documents / statement of the school. And because of the violation of the government instruction and guidelines and his failure to show his desired level of responsibility as a head teacher of the school, the Director of Elementary Education Assam by an order number TCF 232719/30, DFA number 147075 dated 08/03/2023, place the petitioner under suspension with immediate effect enabling him to draw admissible subsistence allowance during the suspension period. Place the petitioner under account of the following provisions of the account of the enabling him to draw inadmissible during suspension period as mentioned. Order of the that he shall not leave the station without prior permission from the competent authority and shall not engage himself in any profession of the text. Being agreed with the same, such an order of the suspension of service. The petitioner on 24/05/2023 submitted an appeal under Rule 14 of the 1964 rules before the Secretary Government of Assam in the Department of School Education, which is yet to be resolved. The Director of Elementary Education Assam, guide number ACF 232719/39, DFA number 199843, dated 08/07/2023, issued show cause notice to the petitioner under Rule 9 of the said 1964 rules, rated Article 311 of the Constitution of India, with the specific charges, the statement of allegations, list of documents, and list of witnesses, to which the petitioner submitted his reply on 24/07/2023. Petitioner submitted that though he was placed under suspension by the Director of Elementary Education Assam on 08/03/2023, but the respondent authorities did not issue any show cause notice to him within 90 days from date of the order, date of placing him under suspension. And I have also not reviewed the querying as to whether he should be continued to remain in suspension or not within 90 days from the date of the said order dated 08/03. As the same is in violation of the provisions of the Office Memorandum number ABP 13 of the 2018 of the PT of the 35 the 04/02/2023 of the State Government, in the Personnel Department issued by the Chief Secretary of the State, as well as in violation of the provision of the law laid down by the Honorable Apex Court in the case of Odisha. And clause 2.2.1 Manual of Departmental Prosecuting the Government of Assam, issued by the Personnel Department. The said order of suspension of the petitioner Mr. Sharma, Lanark Standing Council, Department of School Education. I have placed a copy of the communication number ECF 232719/49, dated 15/09/2023 of the Director of Elementary Education Assam, apprising the court that the disciplinary proceeding initiated against the petitioner by so cause notice dated such and such idea 0807 it's not yet come. And the petitioner and a hearing committee in that regard do constituted, but the petitioner has not yet furnished certain documents in original, and as such another verification public scrutinization drive has been reached. In the sage communication dated 15/03/1990, 15/09/2023, the Director of Elementary Education, placed before the court, the Director of Elementary Education Assam admitted the fact that the petitioner, head teacher of 884 number Patti Mari Lower Primary School of Semi Education Block of District Borpeta, was placed under suspension on 08/03/2023, and so cause notice was served upon him on 08/07/2023, which itself indicates that such so cause notice was issued to the petitioner after more than 90 days from 08/03/2023. Moreover, the said communication dated 15/09/2023 of the Deputy Director of Elementary Education Assam is silent with regard to any such review regarding placing of the petitioner under suspension after 90 days with effect from 08/06/2020. Considering the provision of the department, manual of the department of the government of Assam issued by the personnel department, as well as the law laid down by the Honorable Apex Court in the case of the suspension order of the petitioner dated 08/03/2023 issued by the Director of Elementary Education Assam 10/16 after honor before the honor from on and from 08/06/2023, being more than 90 days. According to the suspension of the number of sentences dated 08/03/2023, unsustainable of respondents in the Department of School Education in the elementary, particularly the Director of Education, directed to these the petitioner in service. However, it is made clear that regarding posting of the petition, it's left to the Director of Elementary Education as the head teacher. After the issues relating to misappropriation of funds and other materials are available on record, where disciplinary proceeding is pending against. It is also made clear that this order shall not be of any kind interference with the disciplinary proceeding. So far, such and such. Direct petitioner shall the representation before the director of elementary as well as the district elementary education officer Corpeta and block elementary education officer. Obtaining necessary acknowledgement.
Published.
May I please? My lord, the petitioner before my lord was working with the Assam Gas Company and he superannuated on 1/6/2021. My lord, on superannuation, the company had directed the concerned officers for release of his benefits. Leave encashment was directed to be released, but 50% was retained because he was in the quarter. Subsequently, my lord, he vacated his quarter and the other amounts were also directed to be released. Now, what had happened here was, my lord, there was a clerical error during his period, my lord, wherein while submitting, my lord, that tedious returns, if my lord can have page 35, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, this is a letter written by AGCL Duliajan to its office. This is in continuation with the discussion held with me, my lord, on subject earlier. We would like to inform you that while depositing TCS on 8/9/20 for rupees 15,517, being 1% net value of 15,51,700 TCS, amount was wrongly deposited at amount 15,51,700. There is only one TDS deduction in that, so we do not have sufficient deduction to adjust the excess payment during that year also. Hence, there is excess payment of 15,36,183. Now, my lord, this amount is in credit with the income tax department. Now, the authorities, my lord, were required to process the matter and, my lord, take a refund. That, my lord, will have at page 39. Because from 1/6 onwards, my lord, I am not the signatory. I cannot take up those works, my lord. The company took it up. Refund request so-and-so has been successfully submitted through traces. You can track this so-and-so. Refund request has been submitted for rupees 15,36,183 for challan having challan serial number as listed below. Now what had happened is, my lord, this is showing in the excess as in the account, my lord. The authorities, after submitting that, my lord, did not proceed with the matter. My lord, will have page 51, my lord.
Yes.
Refund request number so-and-so has been rejected by AO Additional Commissioner TDS due to deductor did not approach the finance accounts officer. You can track the status request on so-and-so. Now, my lord, because the company authorities did not follow up that request for refund, the authorities, my lord, closed that. Now, for this reason, my pension and pension benefits are not being released. There is nothing in written, no DP, no notice, nothing. And this is not a loss to the company. It is with the authorities. They can always claim a refund for that. It was a clerical mistake committed by the office during my tenure. That, my lord, I have already explained in my representation at page 46, my lord, the last paragraph. And, my lord, the amounts that are entitled to me, my lord, I have made a list of that at page 15, my lord. Along with interest, the total comes to around 18,52,000 on the date of filing. The gratuity was released to me. Now, my lord, in addition to this, my monthly pension is also to come. Pension to LIC, they mean? LIC. What it is now? What it is?
Is appearing for the AGCL.
My lord, AGCL, nobody is appearing. My lord, will have to issue a notice to them. My lord. My friend would appear for the
Industry is not
industry.
the formal part here.
But Mr. Naya,
Lordship.
probably income tax department should have been
Because, my lord, that is for the
Understood.
department to do it, my lord.
true.
Because that assessment sheet, my lord, I'll
We have
place it
seen-
before your
We
lordship.
have seen, but
Lordship.
there are two indicators. See,
Lordship.
basically, after the direction was given to the petitioner by the AGCL, he has done his part.
Lordship.
If you come to page number 35,
Lordship.
last two lines, you were requested to kindly file necessary application for claiming.
No, my
refund
lord,
of
this is not
excess
to me,
amount.
my lord.
To
This
you,
is
I
not to
think.
me. This is to the
Stop,
present incumbents there.
Stop. Vijay Kumar.
Vijay
Not
Kumar?
Yes,
My lord
Vijay
will
Kumar
have,
L.
Lordship.
This was
Lordship.
pursuant to this.
11.6, that's why, my lord, I'm saying, my lord will have page 39. my lord.
That's true. That is why it
Lordship.
was thereafter, it was appropriately filed.
Filed and that mail had also come to
But
me. my lord.
after his filing and in terms of that, and thereafter, since the petitioner was no longer in service.
Lordship.
So it was to be by the next concerned officer who should
Lordship.
have processed it.
Lordship,
And you, that the matter was not processed
because of
because
that,
of the extra.
Lordship.
That is the reason we are
Lordship.
asking you.
But
File
my
an
lord, that
application.
cannot be a reason to withhold my.
True. File the application by tomorrow itself. We'll pass the order on Monday. Bring it on Monday to or not, or Tuesday.
My lord wants the income tax department to be a party. I'll do that, my lord.
What?
My lord will have it on Wednesday.
Listen to her. Mr. Yukinayal and its senior counsel assisted by Mr. Yitzhak and counsel for the MDAS, right? For the petitioner. So it's good. Also heard Mr. Ecolita, standing counsel for the standing counsel industries and commerce and public enterprise and cultural department. Petitioner is allowed to file appropriate implement application. I think the income tax commissioner of income tax will be better at it.
Lordship, Lordship. Commissioner. The jurisdictional commissioner, I'll do it, ma'am.
Wednesday or on Friday?
Wednesday, I'll give it.
Yes, Mr. Patnaik.
Matter pertains to recovery of overpay allowance from the retirement benefit, my lord. At this stage, notice may be
Let us see where you are.
page 25, my lord.
You are Binapani Raspa.
Raswa
Served as what?
is serving as a my lord, assistant matron under the office of the Joint Director of Health Service, Lakhimpur.
Assistant matron.
Matron, my lord.
Where is it? Assistant matron where?
Under the office of the Joint Director Health Service, Lakhimpur, my lord.
Okay.
And he retired from service on my lord 30/11/2022.
Where is the order?
Order, my lord, page 25, my lord. Annexus 7. Other government dues 1,50,200, and it was recovered from the my lord, gratuity, my lord. That's why. And
11 lakh. What is the total recovery?
मतलब total other government dues मतलब 1,50,000 and
Which
total
serial
recovery
number?
stated मतलब 1,13,000.
It's 11 lakh.
11 lakh.
Where is it? Other government dues? Other government dues. F.
F, my lord. As per my client's instruction, my lord, 1,50,000 my lord recovered my lord from the gratuity, my lord.
You are receiving provisional pension or you are receiving the final pension now?
Now for final pension, my lord. Kindly see, my lord, page
After the
26, my
deduction?
lord. After deducting, my lord, that portion, my lord.
The portion was deducted from gratuity. Which was the amount deducted? Which is the amount deducted?
amount deducted malot 1,50,000 malot. On
from
this
you are
result
showing
malot, I filed representation malot. Page
Mr.
42.
Patiri, where is that reduction? Where from you are saying? No, that is already there. But where is the recovery? It has been done.
In page 42, in her representation, she has stated that 1,50,200.
But there has to be something to show that it was recovered. How much you are paid? That will cleanse the issue. How much you are
Malot
paid?
gratuity malot nil payment malot, provisional payment GCRG paid malot, and subsequently malot sanction 10,57,000
See, Mr. Patiri, you are an expert in these cases, right?
malot.
Come to page number 25.
25 malot.
Date come retirement gratuity 10,57,350. Right?
Malot.
Provisional pension, provisional date come retirement gratuity already given.
Malot.
9,70,938. Right?
Malot.
Then the government dues, which you are saying, 1,50,200.
Malot. F.
So, how much you are paid? That's what we're asking you.
And malot
Please come down below at page 25.
malot
72,788 is to be recovered.
from the area.
So how, why we are
Area-
saying that 1,50,000 has been recovered? Why this recovery of 11,30,138? What is the overstay period?
Overstay period malot.
Which is that period?
Malot not reflected in that malot order malot. After retirement malot no malot notice start malot against that malot discrepancies malot.
There is something in between, probably you have been aware, made aware, which you have not disclosed. Who is appearing? You are appearing for the health service?
Yes, actually. Already we have forwarded to the concerned authority.
Mr. Patgiri, tell us why this recovery? Why this, how, why you are saying that it's overstay?
So for
Come to page number
Overpayment
23.
of pay and allowance.
Come to page number 23.
Well, Lordship, this provisional pension of rupees 9,79,938 has been paid. And total DCRG was calculated at 10,57,350. Therefore, she is entitled to 77,412. And the government dues is 1,50,200.
For what?
Because
That
already
even-
provisional DCRG was already paid, Lordship, earlier. So minus 10,57,350.
Minus it.
Then it comes to, Lordship, 77,412.
Only then 77,412 is required to be paid towards DCRG.
Yes, Lordship.
Then
Then government dues is
what
1,50,200
is that government due? For what?
because of excess payment, Lordship.
In which account? expense payment made because his salary or her salary was wrongly fixed.
Wrongly fixed.
Where from are you saying that?
As per their statement, Lordship.
Where is that statement?
Paragraph 6, I think.
Paragraph
Para
7,
seven.
my lord. In no further
Paragraph 7, page 8.
due to wrong fixation operator overdrawn the amount of 1,50,000. Yes, 20.
You have not inquired, Mr. Patgiri, why this amount is in 1,50,200 is accessed? Why? You know the reason. You're not disclosing it. Why?
But it was recovered
Without informing you, they will not deduct you from your salary or your retirement benefit.
It was calculated, my lord, after retirement, my lord.
Where is that communication? Where from you are saying that is a wrong fixation of pay at paragraph 7? Where from you are saying?
No
Was there a
record.
letter of the AG office to the authorities in the health and department, Joint Director of Health Service, that you have overdrawn something?
In this regard, I filed a representation, my lord, page 42, my lord.
See, there has to be something without intimating you. The respondents in the health department would not have deducted that amount. Where is that communication?
At this
First
stage,
of all, your submission was you have said overstayed.
my lord.
In the petition, you are saying that it was wrongly drawn because of the excess pay or wrong fixation of pay. Why? Which is correct?
Overstay, no, my lord, overpayment of pay and allowance. It is reflected page 25. Page 25. Government dues, overpayment of pay and allowance.
Prior to this, there would have been a communication to you either from the AG office or from the office of the
As per my
Joint
client
Director,
instruction, no,
Lakhimpur.
my lord, no notice was served, my lord.
Definitely it will be there. Why not?
My lord.
In all other cases, you are annexing it.
A petition for the first time, my lord, when the, my lord, people should come to know that. And Office of the Accountant General directed the Treasury officer to recover that amount, my lord.
But Mr. Ketberger, you are not clarifying it, Mr. Patel. MSS from Standing Council Department of Health and Family Welfare Department. That's number 1, 4, 6, 1, 4 and 6. Mr. C.S. Azarika, Government Advocate Assam for Transport. Mr. A. Salia, Standing Corporate Finance for the Restaurant Trade. 7 and Mr. Standing Council of the Assam. Petitioner. Assistant matron in the office of the Joint Director of Health Services, Lakhimpur. No, no, no. Office of the CHC of Lake Taparu, Papakana, Lakhimpur, South under Joint Director of Health Services, Lakhimpur, North Lakhimpur. Retired from service on 30/11/2022 on attaining the age of superannuation at 60 years. petitioner is aggrieved as an amount of rupees 1,50,200 was recovered from her towards overpayment of pay and allowances, serving as an assistant matron from her pensionary benefits while issuing the pension pay order by the authorities in the Principal Accountant General would indicate AE Assam while issuing the final pension pay order on 04/07/2023. Hence this issue notice returnable by APIC as such a format. On the returnable date, the Director of Health Services, Assam, Hyderabad. Assam. As well as the Joint Director of Health Services, Lakhimpur, North Lakhimpur. And the response number 4 and 6. And the Principal Accountant General, ANE, Assam, response number 5. Shall apprise the court regarding the overpayment of pay and allowances of rupees pertaining to the overpayment and balance of rupees 1,50,200 paid to the petitioner and clarifying further whether the petitioner was the drawing and disbursing officer at a relevant point of time while she had drawn such overpayments and allowances. Any such recovery from the pensionable amount of the petitioner made by the respondent authorities reflected in the order number PR-1/10/10/101/526/2023. And it is 04/07/2023 of the Principal of the Accountant General, AE Assam, Annexure 7 to this shall be subject to the outcome.
Item number 13 will say department is different. Item number 13.
Item 13.
13.
13.
13. PWD department.
You'll be appearing for PWD, Mr. Chakraborty, or for
No, for the AG.
Is there anyone from the PWD? Okay, whoever appears. Clarify.
Yes, 58, my lord. Herein petitioner is the junior engineer, my lord, retired from service on 30/9/2021 and thereafter recovered 5,43,600.
There is a recent judgment passed by President CJI of India, Honorable CJI have clarified that is prior to his this Rafik Masya find out that judgment in the apex court.
my lord.
It has been clarified the stand of the that because there were certain issues cropped up, subsequent decision.
My lord.
Look into it. This is overstay or what?
My lord, it is also my lord wrong fixation, my lord. Kindly see my lord page 15 service book. Page 15 type relevant portion, my lord. Elected revised scale of pay so and so and so and so. He received my lord 5,725
Petitioner,
on 1196.
engineer.
And subsequently, my lord,
Under-
it is corrected.
Executive Engineer, PWD Roads and PWD, Lakhimpur State Road Division, Ilamara. Retired from service on of September 2021, and attaining the age of superannuation at 60 years. However, an amount of rupees 5,43,668, 5,43,668 was recovered from his pensionary amount while getting him final pension by the Principal Accountant General AE Assam by number PR-3 of the PWD of the 15 of the 105171 of the 2023 dated 18/05. Where is this promotion order? When he was made assistant engineer,
My lord,
see, Mr. Pargiri, if you do not assist the court, what order will come? But we do not want, for the fault of the lawyer, that petitioner should suffer. Very unfortunate. You do not have anything in your hand.
page 15, my lord.
You must give us the date.
It is the my lord, the relevant portion of the service book, my lord. And 1196, my lord, the petitioner received the basic, my lord, 5725.
When he was made assistant engineer, here is an assistant engineer, right?
Assistant, my lord, it is the senior grade, my lord.
When? Where is his appointment or promotion? You want the court to help, then where from? Assistant.
Case 41, my lord, is a financial upgradation.
Assistant engineer retired from Ekipa. Donai Territorial Road. Silapa. Not from Hakopat. Apa yang mau semua.
May Mr. Lordship, I would like to withdraw this petition with liberty to file evidence.
Heard Mr. Amara Adhikari, counsel appearing for the petition. Mr. Hendrik, represents standing counsel, Department of School Education. 3, 4, and 5. Mr. S. Elias, standing counsel, finance. For the resolution number 2 and 6. On instruction of the petitioner, Mr. Rahman Adhikari, Land Council, representing him, wait for withdrawal this petition. Where allowed, petitions and dismissed.
Liberty will be given, my lord.
It's not pressing this. Taking liberty to file a fresh as and when you go to the
Obligement. The matter regarding my letter apportioning of the letter compassionate family pension. In this case, will be lordship letter the petitioners are the sons of late Devashokia, who died in Hamnes 127/5/2021. While he was serving as a secretary of the Gao Panchayat meeting. In this case, the government of finance department issued a notification, that is guideline 114/9/2017, that is page 39. Page 39 the scheme of the computer family pension. And page 40, Lordship turn to page 40 and close 5.3 million. Where the employee dies before superannuation, the family pension equal to 100% of the last pay drawn by the deceased employee be paid for a period up to the date of deemed superannuation. Then normal family pension will be granted after deemed superannuation up to 7 years from the date of death. That is 5.6 million. And thereafter at 30% of the CPR as a family pension and importantly 5.10, it is also provided that if the parents or other eligible family members are not looked after by the competent family pensioner, on receipt of such complaint from them, the competent authority will issue order apportioning the competent family pension appropriately among other eligible family members. The petitioners before Lordship are the sons, they are students, and they are completely dependent upon the income and monthly salary of the father. After sanctioning the commissioner family pension to the resolution number 8, she is leave the house and presently residing at her parents' house. We filed a complaint, defense before the authority, but no action has been taken. So we are claiming 50% of the CPF from the date of death till deemed superannuation. It is from the date of from 28/5/2021 to 28/2/2028. Other the leave encashment, the GIS has been divided to all the family members, and we have received and we are not claiming the family pension.
Please take your seat. So what's the definition of family under the pension?
Milota. Yes, Milota. That is there, Milota. Milota. Another Milota, 136 Milota. The nobody showed there was also Milota definition of family Milota. So Milota.
This is the itself is a family pension.
Milota. But
so with regard to the
Milota,
tell us
since Milota,
whether it is pension or it will be a family pension.
Milota, since Milota it is full salary, it may not be Milota. And it is in lieu of commissioned appointment. So it may not be the Milota family pension. And it is clear Milota after Milota deemed subordination, the family pension will be granted at the 50% of the CPR, close to 5.6 million. On attaining the date of deemed subordination, the CPF will be converted into normal family pension.
So was sir eligible for the family pension?
I am not claiming family pension. I am for the part of from the date of death till deemed subordination. Only this period.
That is the compassionate family pension.
Yes,
what else? You have been paid 50% of rupees.
Yes, the CPI, group insurance and the leave encashment. paragraph 12 my lord, I have stated my lord.
So you have got the share of 7,58,092. Both the petitioners got half of it, right?
Yes, yes, my lord. We have received my lord.
Now you have indicated as for the scheme
My lord,
clause, yourself have indicated, right?
my lord,
5.10.
my lord.
Was that you are the eligible family member?
That is my lord, the family pension, my lord, that is stated in paragraph, my lord. 136 definition, my lord, there was a my lord for nomination.
Family pension is payable to whom?
My lord, my submission to the lordship, my lord.
Tell us, family pension is payable
Yes,
to
yes,
whom?
my lord, it is the as per 143 million.
To whom?
To the my lord, minor sons, then the my lord, unmarried
You
daughters.
come under that scheme or not?
My lord, my
Tell us.
my lord, since my lord, it is my lord in lieu of commission appointment, my lord, and full salary.
It is, Mr. Arun, you are a seasoned lawyer, you know.
My lord, so my lord,
First of all, you show your entitlement.
because my lord, if it is my lord, salary, then it will be my lord, divided all the
It
eligible.
is a scheme for payment of family pension, right?
In lieu of commission appointment, my lord.
Compassion appointment not given to all.
Yes, my lord.
Now,
.3 first, my lord, it is up to my lord, deemed superannuation 100% of the salary. Then my lord, 5.6, family pension will be granted on attaining the date of deemed superannuation. The CPF will be converted into normal family pension. So my lord, there may be some my lord, and then my lord, 30%, 5.7, after my lord, 7 years of my lord, date, deemed superannuation.
now read clause 5.10.
5.1 million. 10 million. It is also provided that if the parents or other eligible family members are not looked after by the commission family pensioner, on receipt of the such complaint from them, the competent authority will issue orders apportioning the commission family pension appropriately among other eligible family members.
Whether the REIT court will look into this aspect. What will be the share of a son? Is it about 25 years, and the other son, is it about 21 years?
Yes.
What will be the share? The REIT court will decide.
Before that, my lord, I also filed application before the authority. My lord.
That is the authority will decide. If you are agreed by any decision, go to the particular civil court.
My lord. And my lord, page 32, my review is also my lord, pending.
That is up to, that is they are not the authority.
Yes, my
What
lord.
will be the share?
Commissioner, my lord. Commission, he will look into the
It's
matter.
up to them. It is not the authority to share. What will be your share? Because your father left behind his wife
My lord.
and a minor daughter,
My lord.
presently now 9 years.
My lord. Yes, my lord.
You have passed, one has passed degree, the other one also by this time have passed degree. They are 21 and 25 years. Nothing else.
Your lordship may consider that my lord.
Not Mr. D.A. Kayum, counsel appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. A. Chakraborty, Government Advocate Assam.
As per number 6, Lord.
Sorry, who is appearing for one?
One.
Panchat. MSN Borua, right? Bora. Standing Council PNRD Department for the response number 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Mr. A. Saliha, Standing Council Finance for the respondent number 4 and 7. Mr. B. Chakraborty, Standing Council, Principal Accountant General AE Assam for the respondent number 5. And Mr. A. Chakraborty, Government Advocate Assam for the respondent number 6, Director of Pension. Father of the petition, Debo Soikia. Secretary of Ramhori Gaon Panchayat under Paschim Mongoldoy Ancholik Panchayat in the district of Dorong, died in harness on 27/05. Leaving behind his widow Parulmoni Soikia, respond number 8. The petitioners, his sons and minor daughter Nancy Soikia, respondent number 9. His sons who are mothers. It is stated that it is stated by the petitioners that their mother Sondika Soikia expired on 25/08/2021, and thereafter their father married the respondent number 8, to whom their sister, respondent number 9, was born to his father and respondent number 8. By placing the next of kin certificate of Said Debo Soikia, issued by the Office of the Deputy Commissioner Dorong on 04/08/2021, Annex 3, the petitioners placed the next of kin of Said Debo Soikia. It is also stated that the state government in the finance within bracket establishment as a department wide notification number FEG.28/2017/26 dated 14/09/2007, published in the Assam Gazette Externary on 11/110/2017, brought into force the scheme for compassionate family pension in lieu of compassionate appointment. Compassionate family pension within bracket CFP that came into force with effect from 01/04/2017 for all such persons with regard to government employee who dies in harness on and from 01/04/2017. Petitioner stated that the respondent authorities in the PNRD department sanctioned an amount of rupees 5,26,620 towards cash in lieu of unutilized earned leave at the credit of Said Dabosoikia for 300 days at the time of his death. An amount of rupees 32,362 towards his group insurance scheme fund and rupees 200,000 interest thereof. Their father Dabosoikia and full stop. Thereafter, the respondent authorities paid 50% share of those amounts of rupees 5,26,620 plus rupees 32,3620 plus rupees 2,00,000 to the petitioners as well as the respondent numbers 8 and 9. The petitioners are now claiming the 50% share of compassionate family pension that has been paid to the respondent number 8. Claiming such benefit in terms of clause 5.3 of the said CFP scheme of 2017 noted above. As per clause 5.3 of the said CFP scheme liquidated by page 40. It is to be noted herein that the said scheme for compassionate family pension in lieu of compassionate appointment was further amended by the Finance and Establishment Department by notification number FEZ.28/2017/46, that is 0507/2018, published in the Assam Gazette Extraordinary on 20/07/2018. Clause 5.3 was related such. Clause 5.10 of the said CFP 2017 scheme as amended provides that stipulates that it is also provided that if the parents and other eligible family members are not looked after by the compassionate family pensioner CFP capital pensioner, on receipt of such complaint from them, the competent authority will issue orders appointing the apportioning the compassionate family pension appropriately among the other eligible family members. Section 143 of the Assam Services within bracket pension bracket close rules of 1969 relates to family with regard to family pension. Which includes wife in case of a male officer, husband in the case of a female officer, minor sons, and unmarried minor daughters. Further, 143 within the small 143 within bracket 2 of the said 1969 rules provides that within bracket small a, in case of a widow oblique widower after the date of her oblique his death or remarriage, which is earlier. B, in the case of a minor son until he attains the age of 18 years. C, in the case of an unmarried daughter until she attains the age of 21 years or marriage, whichever is earlier. The petitioners failed to establish as they being the majors son of Said Debosoikia, who are presently of 25 and 21 years. 23 years on 0408 and 19 on 0408 on the date when next of kin certificate was issued by the deputy. Are entitled for any such compassionate family pension, part of compassionate. Even if it is assumed that the petitioners being measures over the age of 18 years are entitled, but a writ court is not the appropriate court or a competent authority to decide the share of compassionate family pension payable under the scheme for compassionate family and family pension issued by the state government, the finance department, in terms of its notification dated 14/09/2017, amended in the year 2008. As such, this certificate being not maintainable in according to stance. Later, however, the petitioner may approach the appropriate forum if so advised for their share of compensation, if they are legally entitled under the said compassionate scheme of compassionate family pension. Little line logo for care religion, which is required to be only of the business of
So this matter actually, Mr. Banerjee, former standing counsel of the Grameen Bank, has passed away.
Did he pass away?
Yes, madam. On the 3rd
Someone
of-
was telling his father passed away. No one told me that day. It
No,
was a
no,
matter.
no, not the son, madam. I'm talking about the senior Mr. Banerjee. His son is there, madam. The bank has asked me to appear in this matter, my lord, and I may be given a copy. Matter may be taken up on Monday.
Not on Monday,
Any other
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
On the prayer of council, but Bar is not aware that he had expired.
So I'll have to check.
Was
up
not
with
he a member of the bar?
No, he was a member of the Advocate Association. So he was, because he was actually in service.
Yes,
And
yes.
thereafter.
Prior to that, he was in service.
Yes.
When did he expire?
Well, it's, on the 3rd of September.
In the prayer of the council for the party list of. Have him a copy. Mention in the morning.
Lordship, my senior is on late.
Yes, you will appear for him. Or you want adjournment?
No, Lordship, I will appear.
Very good. Please submit.
Lordship, the petitioner was appointed as an honorary teacher of Publanga Adarsha ME School in the year 1990. Then thereafter, his service was provincialized in the year thereafter his service was provincialized in the year 1991. And after that,
Where is the provincial election?
at page number 16.
Where is your appointment order?
Appointment order is at page 14, the type copy. May I read?
Yes, this is issued by whom?
Issued by the managing committee of Publanga Adarsha ME School.
Now, when this school was provincialized?
It was provincialized in the year 1991.
Where is that?
Lordship, it was not annexed with this petition.
Then you were appointed in which school?
He was appointed in Publanga Adarsha ME School.
What was his qualification? At the time of his appointment?
I'm sorry, Lordship. Lordship, I'm not aware of the facts.
What is your prayer here?
To govern the case of the petitioner under the old pension scheme.
Why? Tell us why he was considered in the new pension scheme?
Yes, Lordship.
Where is that order?
Impugned order is at page 26. May I read?
Page 26.
Page 26 is the type copy, impugned order.
Date of the order?
17/8/2005.
Where is your name here in that particular list?
At serial number 62.
This order was issued when?
This order was issued on 17/8/2005.
When you have approached the court,
2023.
where is the explanation? Regarding the delay? There's a judgment of the apex court, fence sitter. You go to the judgment of the apex court, then tell us whether this writ petition should be allowed or not. Tell us on Wednesday.
Lordship at 2.
At 2 court will not sit. Wednesday. Read the judgment of fence sitter. Then tell us whether you will be entitled for the allowance of writ petition. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please, your lordship. The petitioner is the eldest wife of the deceased. The deceased and the petitioner got married in the year 1989. As per an marriage agreement by the magistrate's notary.
Now you want the share of the benefit of pension?
Yes, yes.
Given to whom now?
Your pardon?
The share of benefit of pension given to whom?
The
Somebody
share of
else?
benefit is being given to the second wife of the petitioner.
Okay. We'll take up this matter on Wednesday.